Welcome back to the channel. I'm in Jamaica. Right now I'm in Scotia Bank. You know, we gotta get a little munyon. And here goes little royalty. Hi Royalty, pretty dress. Yeah, so this is me. Yeah, we chilling. It is hot. Now I'm starting to feel it a little bit, but yeah, so we're about to go handle some quick business. I forgot my scrunchie. Can't put my hair up. No big deal. And yeah, so I'm going to hit y'all back up because we gotta move around the street. I gotta pay attention. But yeah, stay tuned. That's already.
This Saturday, December 23rd, Market Call, DONTAE, Politics, Flyboy, Rooftop, Electronic Supply, and more. Come and shop at the best price.
Oh, it's called Chillin'z.
Shop at the best price.
We are looking for somewhere to turn on our phone.
Christmas Day. This Friday, December 20th, customer appreciation day.
Why I had to walk like that?
Are they open? Good evening.
You want to see a lady?
You hungry? What do you want to eat? They have burgers.
I don't want to
They
talk.
have French fries.
How you doing?
How you doing? Kitty's corner, fish and chip, chicken tenders. You want chicken tenders? With French fries? Or you want a burger?
I want a burger.
A burger?
This me I look like. You have the food price.
She didn't give two. Grilled bras, burgers,
Can this thing open?
seafood. Waiting for my food. Baby, you don't see her over there? Yeah, y'all. So this spot is called Chillin'z. And it's a rooftop. I'm good for promoting places. It's not crowded in here.
Probably true, they do event. They're not flying.
Man, this food is right there.
No, next event, they might flying up this way. Remember that one, you see where the black thing there? That was one event.
Yeah, but it's still not crowded in here. That's pre-planned. A cheeseburger with French fries?
Baby.
Come on, Greg.
Remember, yeah, that is
Yeah, me, but a cheeseburger with French fries? That's nothing. Dance with mommy?
No.
What do you want to play?
You know what I want to play.
What?
I wish you were skinny.
You wish I I was skinny? Why?
So you can run properly.
Great, she just said that. I wish you was skinny so you could run properly. Yo, these kids are so insulted. Oh my goodness. Every time I say something, my husband is that guy to like try and lighten, I guess you could say, the situation or what I'm sensing, what he knows I'm feeling.
Now listen to it and say the story.
Huh?
Now listen to it and say your husband saying that.
Record me. This is how you do it properly.
Uh-oh.
Come on, baby. Come on, Ice, you can do it. Yes.
You supposed to keep my arms right? Okay, don't put that stick into the water. The breeze is nice.
One more. Okay. Daddy, here you go.
Daddy don't want that.
Here you go, baby daddy.
Yeah, so all right, you guys, I'm gonna turn back on my camera once the food comes. So you guys, look at the food. Oxtail, macaroni, rice and peas. Royce got a burger and french fries. Husband got, what is it, brown stew fish there? That's 2 fishes, right? Two fish. It looks so good.
Thank you.
Food make you happy?
Got me a bag fish out here.
What was about?
We should never so spicy if I really taste it.
That food is good. I want more french fries. I want more french fries.
You want more french fries?
Yeah.
Oh. My husband's a good guy. Good, boo-boo? No pineapple juice? So we finished
Yeah, what?
eating at, what it was called, babe? Chillin'z Rooftop? Yeah, at Orion's Plaza. The wait for the food was long, but the food was worth waiting for. Let me say that. It was bussin'.
I'm never going there again.
You're right.
Good, you're right, because you're not coming back.
Yes,
Yes, me and husband is coming back alone. And so we're at Orion's Plaza. Orion's Plaza. What are you looking for, babe?
You know me, I look over there, say missing phones.
Oh. I was say you should have asked the girl, but she said down here. Everybody's gonna say right there.
Wait.
There was some goats over here, but they belong to somebody, Greg. Anywho, we just reached back into the house. Royty, stop. The food was really good. I could taste it right now. For some reason, I feel like I need to have KFC in my house every day. Like a bucket just needs to be available for when I get up at 1 o'clock in the morning and I want a piece of barbecue chicken. Greg, I told you I wanted to get KFC.
Yeah?
I told you in the restaurant, I said, babe, I want to go buy KFC when we leave. And you was like, all right. Because you was so locked in onto trying to get the phone, the Digicel, whatever it's called. That's what it's called? Even when you was on the phone, I was like, Greg, tell him that I want to get KFC. The food was really, really good. It's a vibe. You could tell it's a vibe, especially after a certain time. Once that sunset go down and stuff, we kind of hang out there.
Don't which place yesterday I got choose a bar, innit?
Yeah, she said the bar closed at 1:30.
And food stop served
at 11. Mm-hmm.
Kitchen shut then 11 o'clock in the night.
But it was good.
Yeah, man, I tell you, the fish.
It was good. Our evening was way better than our day was today. I tell you that much.
You could have smelled the coconut in the rice and peas.
And it was nice and hot, right, babe?
Yeah. I mean, I know all kind of restaurant them in America, but the food needs to upgrade. Shop, you know, me never have two fish one time yet.
It sure enough was too.
So my wife never see me eat two fish one time yet. Never. But to the food nice.
It was so sweet. It was nice. It was
and
nice.
The breeze in that bro.
Yeah, the breeze on the rooftop was blowing. It was nice. It was a vibe. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yo, this girl here. What we gonna do, get into tomorrow? Because he said he won't be available.
Till the night evening.
So, definitely.
You call him all the time to pick us up. Elfie, Miss Elfie.
Yes. I can't. So.
Should I take Blessed charger and I'm a fool, you know?
Why, go to it?
Yeah, Blessed have a charger.
But I have chargers. Let me see. Let me see the phone. I got chargers inside my.
Let me see.
My Royce, get my camera case out of my bag.
Oh my God.
Move fast, man. But oh my God. All you do is nyam. Somebody asked if you something like at the world. Pass the case, man.
And y'all, we are in Old Harbour. That's where we're at. You won't see royalty on camera next year when we come back to Jamaica because if you are parents and you have gone on vacation with your children, then you understand. So the only way royalty, any of the kids are going to be able to come, the grandparents have to come. Right, Gray?
None of them charges.
Sorry. No can do. We need assistance. We need help. Help us. Yeah, but restaurant was nice. I was happy to be there with my husband.
And me?
Nope.
And royalty. But yeah, so until tomorrow, guys. We're trying to get some fruit and stuff. So stay tuned for that because I definitely want to do fruits of Jamaica. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Bless up.